Welcome to PCI's GovCon Pulse. I'm Dave Drabkin, and today I'm going to talk to you just shortly about the um, deviation for FAR Part 27 that has been issued by the FAR Council as part of their FAR rewrite process. Many of you will remember that FAR Part 27 covers patents, data, and copyrights. To date, there are no NASA or DoD supplements for FAR Part 27. There is, however, a GSA supplement for this part of the FAR. You can find the GSA supplement at the GSA policy page. Comments were solicited for this part, and those comments are due to the FAR Council by 27 October 2025. There is also a practitioner's album for FAR Part 27, and you can find that also at acquisition.gov. Important to keep in mind is they have retained Subpart 27.4 entitled Rights in Data and Copyrights, and it has been streamlined as part of the retention in the new model deviation. They have also revised 27.405, other data rights provisions, adding a requirement that the clause must specifically address the government's rights that are included in the contract. They also have a new or a rewritten 27.407, which is rights to technical data in successful proposals.